Mr. Speaker, sir, our immediate priority is macroeconomic stabilization. Let me emphasize from the onset, Mr. Speaker, sir, that this administration is geared to pursue prudent fiscal policies aimed at reducing the budget deficit and consequently budget debt stock. As such, government will strengthen domestic revenue mobilization efforts, including broadening the tax base, enhancing compliance, and modernizing tax administration while protecting low-income households and productive sectors. On the expenditure side, Mr. Speaker, sir, government will continue to implement austerity measures to eliminate waste, reduce non-essential spending, and improve efficiency in public service delivery. Resources will be redirected towards high economic impact sectors that drive productivity, create jobs, promote and support growth. In the same vein, Mr. Speaker, sir, I would also like to unveil the National Economic Recovery Plan, NEP, whose overarching objective is to restore macroeconomic stability and promote inclusive growth through investment in key productive sectors of agriculture, tourism, mining, manufacturing, and small and medium enterprises.